in SmartSchool as a parent or as a student. So all you need to do is you log into your account as a parent or you log into your account as a student. Even if you're a parent and you want to log in, you can also log into your child's or what's account and do this. So for instance, I logged in as a student, as you can see on the screen, Samchi, then student account. So I'm making use of mobile phone, which is also applicable on laptop or any device at all. So if you're making use of laptop, your menu bar is already open, but if we are using your phone or tablet or anything, probably the menu is not open. To open up the menu, you click on this. You can see the 3 dashed line. You click on it, then you scroll down to you see fee history. Scroll down till you see fee history. You can see fee history. You click on fee history. So you can see the current invoice you have. You can see your invoice. You can see invoice this. This is your school details. Under the invoice, you have tuition fee. This one is 100,000. You have transportation. This one is 50,000. So let's say you have made payments through bank transfer to the school. You have made payment through bank transfer to the school. So all you need to do is you click on offline payments. Remember, you have made transfer to the parent to the school through bank transfer or any method. You click on what? Offline payment. Then when you click on offline payments, this is where you upload evidence of payment. For instance, the payment you made is for what? Tuition fee, and the payment method is bank deposit. So if it's bank deposit, the school account number is going to show up here that the school have set. You can use that account number, or if they have another account number they have given to you before, you should still just move on. So the date you made the payment, so let's say that I made the payment on 31st of July, which is the date I made the transaction, because this will help the school to be able to track the money you transferred properly. So let's say you didn't pay the amount in full. You paid 50,000. You paid 50,000. That's the amount you paid out of 100,000 or any amount they have given you. If you have paid the full amount, you impute the full amount. But if you paid partial payment, that is half payment, you impute the amount that you paid. If you have the reference number, you impute the transaction reference number. And very important, you type the notes, school fees payment. Then you upload evidence of payment, which is very important. You upload evidence of payment. You click on it. It opens up. As you can see that the evidence of payment is optional. You can skip it, but it's very important that you upload them. So I'm going to look for a transaction evidence on my phone and click on it. I think I have evidence of payment. Can be a picture or can also be a document. That's a PDF. So let's just say this is a video. Let me go to images. It's just for you to locate where the picture or the evidence of payment is for you to upload. I think I have some transaction screenshots. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Let's just say that is this one. So you can see the transaction I've showed. So what I'm going to click after uploading this, you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it's going to submit it to the school. You can see we will notify and we will review and notify you of your payments. So that you have that you uploaded this through offline payments doesn't mean that it will automatically be recorded. So the school admin have to approve the payments, and once it's been approved, then it will be deducted from your outstanding balance. So that is it for offline payments. Thank you for watching this video. You can rewatch it again in order to understand it properly. Thank you.